ang daming mga kalat-kalat.
Make sure they go into the holes and cover the whole thing up.
Hinihimay-himay ko kasi ayaw niya. Zero one.
Hi guys!
Ayun.
Today we are making chocolate puppet. We might just only need one bar.
Well, I've got two just to be on the safe side.
Yeah, because I can always make one again.
Yeah, okay. You want me to get
A
the...
bowl so we can put it in the microwave.
Oh.
So, no, because like, we need to melt it. And then see how it goes.
Okay.
And then if we need more...
Is this one trash?
Yes. So guys, I'm only going to do half of this. And then if we need a bit more, I'll add some more.
We're going to have pancit tonight for dinner, okay?
Can you try to take everything out? No, pancit.
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes. And if we
Okay.
need more, we'll...
Okay.
So, microwave. I'm going to try a bit. Should we just add this when it's done?
Yeah, then we can just have some.
I'm just gonna taste. No, we can use this to make one another time. Do you want to try a bit?
No, right now. We're going to have lunch first. You want me to cut it?
No, just this. Awesome.
So, i-melt ko lang muna yung chocolate. Kasi gusto niyang ilagay dito. Hinugasan niya na to kanina.
Mom, add this.
Yeah?
It's really good. Nasa pa.
I think after... Punasan ko dito, ang daming mga kalat-kalat.
No, this is really good, but my mom doesn't like it.
Excuse me, Bob.
Two.
Need more.
So we're gonna need this to pour it in. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on the bottom of this one. I'm gonna take a biscuit. And I'm gonna get a biscuit. Where are you doing that? I'm gonna sprinkle some on it.
Can you check, Bob?
No, I don't know how to open it. Nope, still needs a bit more. It won't take long. No, all of it needs to be melted.
Okay.
Guys, this is going to be a chocolate biscuit.
So we'll keep it for next time.
Mum might as well eat it. See you after it's done.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm going to mix it so there's no chunks.
Should be fine now, though.
No, because I need to get all the chunks out.
Okay.
My mum's going to put it in because like it might dry out.
Oh, it's so hot.
I tried to tell you!
So we're just gonna do it like that?
No, you have to press it down so they go into the holes.
Then you...
No, make sure they go into the holes and cover the whole thing up.
I know.
Hmm.
And then you put it in the fridge.
Hmm.
Is that what we're doing? Ewan ko kung kainin niya to. Laro-laro lang.
Yummy. Biscoff and chocolate's really good.
I thought you don't like that biscuit.
When did I say that?
Hmm?
When did I say that?
Last week I heard. You asked your dad, why did you get this one, Dad? I don't like it. And then now you're saying you like it.
Well, I've always liked them.
Tapos ilagay natin to sa fridge. Let's see what's gonna happen later. But you need to drink a lot of water after that. It's way too sweet. Okay.
And the top ones.
I think that's enough for now.
No, you have to do those ones as well.
No, it's not gonna be enough.
No, just spread it out from some of the other ones.
You need another spoon, Bob.
No problem. Just trying to make them non-fat. Kids can get more out of bowls than mums because they definitely love chocolate. I don't like dark chocolate. Dark is not my thing. Oh, you're filming, right? I thought I was talking to myself then. I don't want to make it too fat. Well, Mum wants to make it fat.
So magluto na tayo ng dinner. Mag-alas 5 na. So yung lulutuin kong dinner is pansit. Magpapansit tayo for dinner. Ito na yung aking mga sahog. Prawns, slice ng carrots, garlic, at saka onion. Tapos ito is aking i-fried chicken, 3 para sa amin ni Kira. Tapos bumili din si Dib ng spring rolls. Yung 4 siya, yung 2 nasa air fryer. So yun yung gagawin kong dinner. Okay. Lagyan ko muna ito ng crispy fry. Maaga pa naman, pero magluto na ako para maaga kami makakain. Pangit yung panahon today, maulan. Kaya dito lang kami sa loob. Hindi kami makalabas. Wala din naman kami gagawin kasi nag-grocery shopping na si Dib kahapon. Nakakapagod talaga pag ganito ba yung panahon? Kasi nga hindi ka makalabas, walang araw. Basta nakakapagod. Nag-rice ako kagabi. Oo, marami kaming rice. Bigyan ko din si Kira ng rice mamaya. Sometimes I run. Igisa ko muna itong pangsahog ba? Saan yan? Ito. Para lumabas yung tubig. Ito lang yung gagamitin kong carrots kasi ayaw ni Kira yung repolyo. Minsan pag nagluluto ako ng pansit na may repolyo, hinihimay-himay ko kasi ayaw niya. So kaya mag-carrots na lang. Kailangan ko na kasi itong gamitin. Lagyan ko ng mainit na tubig yung bihon para hindi na maraming tubig yung ilagay ko. Aso na. Lagyan natin yung fried chicken. Bilis ito ng isang araw. Gini sa mix. Ibalik na natin ito. Kadami na eh. Hindi lang naman yung noodles, pero ang dami. Na yung naluto lang dami. Ngayon.
Mommy, you know where my black mask is?
Yeah.
Yeah, the brown one, aren't you doing what they?
You get the one that over there. Ibigay ko na yung kay Kira. Ayaw niya yung prawns. Okay. Tapos bigyan natin siya. Okay. Yan yung dinner ni Kira. Yan yung kay Kira. Kaya di pansit lang. At saka spring rolls. Ang dami pa. Good for 3 days. Yan yung kay Dave. Dave! Yung pansit. Pansit is here. So that's your one. Ako naman is nag-init ng rice. Kulang pa. Nakain muna kami. I'll see you na lang after. Okay. Bye-bye! Yung akin, tapos yung fried chicken. Dami oh. Hindi ko maubos. Mag-edit na ako ng video. So, ating end ko na dito yung vlog. Si Kira naka-shower na, binilisan ni Dave.
Huh?
No. I'm gonna stick my hand in, but not my body. I'm just gonna stick my hand.
Come here.
Pinoy, 7 pa lang. Aga pa.
Yeah,
Kaya end ko na dito yung vlog kasi wala na kaming gagawin. Mag-chill na kami. Pasok na naman bukas si Kira. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!